Abandoned in a lot, covered in mud. A real shame. But we can bring it back. A green bull, covered in dust and weeds, but the paint, it's still there.
Yeah.
This can be fixed. I'm bringing you back.
Keep it straight, slow, slow. All right, perfect, we're on.
That's some serious work. It's nothing we haven't handled before. We can restore it. That's great news. That's some serious work. It's nothing we haven't handled before. We can restore it. That's great news. Welcome to Prestige. We've got our work cut out for us.
There you go.
Yeah, it was a rough day.
All right, let's get this beauty covered. Perfect. Nice thick coat.
Wow, that's perfect coverage. Years of experience, boss. It's ready to soak.
All right, let's blast this years of grime off this Lamborghini and get it looking brand new again.